In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute someone on Discord. Before we jump in, here's the key idea. You can only unmute someone if they were muted by the server and you have the right permissions, or if you personally muted them for yourself. If the person muted themselves, you won't be able to unmute them. That's a privacy feature, and it's working as intended. Now, let's get practical. When you're in a call or a voice channel, look at the voice panel where participants are listed. Find the person you want to unmute, then right-click their name. A small menu will appear with options, including checkboxes for mute, and, if you have the proper role permissions, server mute. Here's what those mean. Mute affects only what you hear on your own device. If you previously muted this person for yourself, you'll see that mute box checked. Simply uncheck it, and their voice will come through again for you. Server mute, on the other hand, silences that person for everyone in the voice channel. If you're a moderator or have a role that allows managing voice states, you'll see server mute. If it's checked, uncheck it to restore their audio to the whole server audience. If you don't see server mute at all, or it's grayed out, that usually means you don't have permission to change it. In that case, you can only manage your personal mute setting. And remember, if the user muted themselves, you won't find a way to override it. You might notice a muted microphone icon next to their name, which indicates they chose to mute. The best you can do is ask them to unmute when they're ready. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you uncheck mute or server mute and still can't hear them, give it a second. Discord may need a moment to update. Also confirm that they have the correct input device selected and their microphone is working on their end, since unmuting won't fix hardware or input issues. If you're moderating, be thoughtful about when you remove a server mute. Use it to maintain order and communicate clearly so everyone knows what to expect. That's really all there is to it. During the call, right-click the person's name, uncheck mute for your personal mute, and if you have the necessary permissions, uncheck server mute to lift a server-wide mute. With that, you'll have unmuted them successfully and can get the conversation flowing again.